Hello, this is Don Berry with LiveExpertInterviews.tv, and today we have a couple of very special guests in Atlanta who are going to talk to us about how to find a great dentist in Atlanta. We have Dr. Mariana Kovich and Dr. Dina Giesler. Hi, ladies. How are you today?
Hi, we're good. Hello.
Great. So nice that you could be here, and thank you for taking the time out after another busy day. What I really want to focus on for our viewers today is to get your advice on what would people ought to be thinking about and looking for when they get on the internet looking for a terrific dentist in the Atlanta area. You have some suggestions about what they might want to be considering?
Oh, I think you need to look at the website, make sure it's up to date, and really read the websites, because I think you can tell a lot about somebody and their personality and who the doc is by, just really reading the site and looking at their expertise, looking at their education, looking at their experience, and you can get a really good feel about somebody now,
Yeah, it's also really important to try to look at people's reviews, what the community is saying about that person. DemandForce is a really good company that you can actually go on and kind of see the community. They do dentists, they do doctors, all different sorts of people. That's a really good place to kind of look for reviews.
Mm-hmm.
Great. So the reviews and the website, and you're looking for the credentials, the experience, and their dedication to the practice. And all of that stuff comes through if people take the time to really look that stuff over, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep.
Now, if a patient comes to your practice, what kind of experience will they have in terms of what it is that you bring to new patients and the ones that you've taken care of for years? What is it that you guys are really focused on?
We're focused on health and wellness. I don't just look at the tooth. I look at the whole patient. We know our patients. They become our family, and they know all about us, and that's what makes it a private practice. And I care about their blood pressure. I care about their overall health, because that is what indicates how we're going to treat you, based on what's going on in your life, and something may take precedence over their teeth at this point. If somebody's diagnosed with cancer, we're going to look at them in a whole different way than if, they don't. So.
Yeah, that's one of the really big things that we believe in, is really personalized treatment plans, individual for every single person that comes in, depending on what their needs are, what their wants are, and what their priorities in life are. What can we do for them right now, and what can they wait on? And we really talk to people to make sure that we're doing what suits them well today and tomorrow.
And one thing is, people will say, oh, I can't go to the dentist, I can't afford it, but you can't afford not to go to the dentist, because you may just need a small filling, or maybe your tooth broke, and maybe you can't afford something like a crown, but maybe you can get that tooth filled for now so it doesn't get worse. So, there's lots of things you can do without, going to, I always say the Mercedes way of doing everything. There's a lot of little steps you can do to make sure you're healthy, and that, you don't need more costly dental work later.
Right. And we're also very conservative in our treatment, and we try to save everything we possibly can, and I think that's very important.
Okay, great. Well, it sounds to me like you are really going over backwards, trying to make sure that you're listening to your patients and that you are giving them a range of options of how to deal with their situation, and so that they can come up with what will work for them within their current budget parameters and so on.
We really do.
And so that kind of thing is special. Now, do you do a broad range of services? Are you a full general practice? Are you?
Yes, we do. Dentistry is constantly changing, and you've got to keep up. And I think what's great about Dr. Kovich and I is, I've been in dentistry for 32 years, and I've been in every practice position that you can think of, and it's great because she brings new knowledge to the practice, and I always say I could be her mom, but but she loves doing certain things that I may not like doing, and vice versa. And you know, our talents may be in different directions, but we're all here together. And if there's anything that we feel that, you know, that patient may need, you know, more specialized attention, we will get them to the best person, you know, that we can get them to.
Oh, great. Well, I think that it would be a really comfortable experience coming to you guys for dental services in the Atlanta area. Now, do you have any kind of offer for new patients to come in? How does that work?
Well, we do. You know, a lot of times people call and they're looking for a new home for themselves, and we offer a complimentary consultation to anyone who wants to come in and just meet us and see if we're a right fit for them, and you know, and just, you know, see if this is the right home for them.
Oh, perfect. So you get an opportunity to come in and you know, explore their needs and wants and their concerns, and you determine if they're a good fit for you, if you're a good fit for them, and come up with a great combination.
Right. Right.
So, you know, I'd say just to conclude this, that if you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking for a great dentist, get on the internet and look at atlantasmiles.com, where you can get your first background info on Dr. Mariana Kovich and Dr. Dina Giesler. And you can call them also at 404-262-7733. You can tell just by meeting these two fine ladies right here on the internet that it'll be a great experience. Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.